I quit my job to start a marketing agency, and this is why. In the past 5 years, I was in school, studying engineering, because I thought going to school to get a degree was going to give me a fulfilled life, At the same time, I was also doing music production because I want to work in the music and entertainment industry. But I soon learned fast that all those dreams mean nothing if you don't have skills that are actually valuable to people, because I got good at making music, but I thought to myself, why aren't I more popular than I am right now? What's the reason? And it occurred to me, oh, you know how to market stuff. You know how to create product, but you don't know how to actually get it in front of people that will benefit. So that was what started my marketing journey, I think around third year in uni. So that's when I really dove into marketing, and I fell in love with content marketing. The whole idea of making stories through videos, through posts that convey values that people resonate with and show them how they can improve their lives using different products and services. Because that's what basically selling is to me. Helping people help themselves, showing them how things can help them so they can eventually help themselves. Because some people just need to see it, they can't see it, so you just need to help them see it. So that's basically why I went into it. And right now I'm done with school, but I'm not gonna pursue anything in engineering. No, I'm going straight into full-time marketing, digital marketing, content marketing. So if you're watching this video, you happen to watch this video, I'm not editing, I'm not saying anything, I'm just saying, so I'm looking for 2 people to work with, entrepreneurs, you already have a thriving business and you're looking to take it online. So because my team and my friends, we started this together, and we believe we can help you save 90% effort and time and 10x your business growth online faster. How? With our high value scaling system. How does it work? Well, basically, we help online coaches and entrepreneurs. If you fit that category, hit us up. We help them create content that gets views so that they can get more money. So basically, what it entails is we help you do the market research, what your audience likes, making videos people actually like, help you write the scripts, edit the videos, create a schedule for you to post on Instagram and YouTube, create a marketing funnel so you can take people from just being subscribers to being buyers of your product, help you with your email marketing campaigns, and also help you convert sales, because we'll have weekly sales assessments, social media audits. So that's what it's all about. And if you want to know if I'm qualified, I'm going to post a bunch of different I've gotten a lot of online certifications as regards digital marketing, and I've been freelancing for a while now. So I've done a couple of jobs on Upwork, mostly as a social media manager and a media buyer. So if a media buyer is someone who runs Facebook ads. So I ran Facebook ads for a gaming company in Malta, and I've managed different social media pages actually for mostly people also in the marketing agency niche. So that's what I've been doing. I've also helped a couple of my friends and myself get our songs, because I started with music marketing before I fully went into content marketing, get their songs on playlists and also get a couple 100,000, 10,000 streams on their songs. So so I'm just taking the principles that work in marketing that I applied with music and applying it to general business. So if that sounds great to you, if you'd like to test our high value scaling system, you want to take your business online, how valuable content is in this creator economy. It's a new economy. Attention is a new currency. And if you can invest in attention, invest in people's lives, so you can have a great return on investment. So if you understand that and you are ready to work, I'm also ready to work. So thank you if you watch this video. So peace. I'll see you guys later.